Prepare a basin first. Pour boiling water. A simple normal saline is prepared. Cover with plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator to make ice water. Peel a corn. The purple cabbage is cut in half to remove the middle heart. Shredded for later use. Local cucumber, remove both ends and slice. Broccoli cut into blossoms. Bitter chrysanthemum is cut in two. I bought 6 strawberries for 10 yuan. Remove the strawberry dam. Make salad. Like this, corn kernel needs to be cooked. Broccoli needs to be boiled too. 8 mature, remove it and put it in a basin. Add purple cabbage. Shredded washed lettuce. Pour in the brine we pre-chilled. Salt kills bacteria. This is the magic of ice light salt water. Put in basin. Add a little cucumber slices. Cooked corn kernels. Add chicken carrion. Pour in the salad dressing. Stir well with black chopsticks. It's that simple. Vegetable and fruit salad is ready. Vegetable cooking is accessible.